Hey now, it's Steve Severs for Bionic Buzz. Welcome to another edition of unboxing for Bionic Buzz. And today we're going to be doing this AfterShok, which is a wireless stereo bone conduction headset and microphone, I believe. So I'm excited for this because, all my Zooms interviews I do, I use my interview mic, and it's a good mic when I was working Red Carpets. You can actually go back and listen to all the different sound quality I've done on world premieres, interviewing celebrities and stuff. But I don't think it's very powerful enough connected to a computer. So I'm hoping this can be a little bit better. And sometimes with Zoom, sometimes there's a delay. I cut people off by mistake. So I'm hoping having this earbud in will fix that. So it's open ear design, all day comfort, noise cancellation microphone, and extended battery life, 16 hours of talk time. Oh, that's good. Quick charge, 5-minute charge for 2 hours of talk. Wow, impressive. Let's open it up and see how it works. We can compare the mics. And I was introduced to this company through Consumer Electronics Show. And it has a 2-year warranty. That's cool. I hope it's comfortable because I am kind of picky about how things fit on my ears. Here we go. Nice black box. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Let's open it up. Slide it out. Come on, baby. Oh, it's kind of stuck. Come on. Oh, that's nice. I like the case of it so far. All right. That's looking good. Let's wonder how big it is. Ooh, here we go. Oh, okay. Let's see. I think it wrong way. Trying to look like Cyclops there. Or is that right? How does it go over the person's head? Let's look at the box. No, no, right. Okay. I think this just flips around. This is funny. Well, this is like the wrong direction, though. What is a? No, I can't go that way. All right, I guess my wife always tells me read the instructions before you put it on, but I always like diving into stuff when I open the box. Let's see what it says. Volume, microphone. It's got 2 mics. Okay, that's cool. Oh, it does. Okay, there we go. See, I was so paranoid about it breaking. All right, this is definitely very comfortable, and I like that it doesn't actually go in the ear. So forget my little blunder about doing that. Let me set this up, and we can compare the audio quality from this microphone to this one. Okay, so this is my this new headphones that's got a microphone and earbuds into it. Can you hear me clearly?
Oh yeah, no, it sounds really good.
Oh yeah, much better because I mean, my old mic. I mean, this was designed for interviewing people on red carpet, so it was great. But I don't think it gets very good power through through the computer USB plug-in. So I always have to have it right next to me yelling. But I think this is a
Yeah,
nice
I
new
mean,
thing.
that's a shotgun mic, yeah.
No, it's a leg width. It's called a leg width interviewer mic. So I mean, I usually plug like the battery pack thing into it, and it's clear as
That
day. But
that's strange that you're not getting a decent, you know, quality of sound out of it. If it's an interview mic, it should have like a nice little cardioid for you to use. Because what I do like about it is that your logo is right there. Like
that is true.
that looks
But I
great.
think eventually when I move, I'm gonna have a like a Bionic Buzz background behind me, not the
Oh,
Star Wars,
there
yeah.
you go. Just the brain
And
went to
this,
brand.
yeah, and this I can hear really good in. I love it. It's really comfortable. So,
Nice.
bravo to AfterShok. Thank you.
Oh, they
SH.
sent it to you?
Yeah, yeah. I'm doing an unboxing video, so testing it out.
Sweet. All right, dude. Well, good stuff. No, you sound good, full, rich quality of sound.
Thanks, man. And you're the master of knowing about good quality audio.
I know when it's bad.
Yes.
And this is not that. So